Hey everybody, June was a big month for us when it comes to updates. And here's a quick run through of what we shipped. Let's go. First up, video to demo. If you've ever built an interactive demo from product video, you know the workflow. Watch the recording, pause, capture screenshots, upload them, add guides, and then repeat for every single step. Video to demo automates that entire process. Just go to create a demo, then video to demo, upload an MP4, give AI a little context about your video, then just choose how you want to structure it, and basically add optional AI voiceovers, and Storylane transforms it into a complete interactive demo with guided steps and optional AI voiceovers. So now instead of spending an hour rebuilding a walkthrough, you're just reviewing one that's auto-created for you. The demo creation just got way easier. Next up, collaborative comments. And this is a big one. If you've ever reviewed a demo over Slack or email, you know how chaotic that whole process can get. Like, change this button or change that title. Like, which button, which title, on which demo step. Storylane now keeps every conversation inside the demo and inside that specific step. Let me show you how. Inside every Storylane demo, you can find this comments icon in the top bar. Once you click on it, you're entering the commenting mode. You can leave the comments in the right panel. You can also pin comments on the exact spots on the screen so that whoever is the creator can better navigate the comment that the reviewer just left. You can tag teammates, reply in threads, and also, of course, get notified when someone responds. Once any feedback is addressed, simply resolve it and keep moving forward. Along with the comments, you can also now see if there is anyone else real-time editing the demo with you. And the last one for today is AI document export. You can turn any Storylane demo into a polished document with a single click. Let's jump in. When you go to the export demo page and click on the export document, first you can of course decide whether you want to include the voiceover and video transcript in your exported document. And now there you have it. So AI generates a structured demo using your demo steps, screenshots, and transcripts, which you can of course edit manually or refine with AI. If you need to, tweak any image or update, highlight, or sync changes back to the demo, all of that is built into now. When you're done, you can export the demo as a PDF, Word document, Markdown, or just copy with images. This feature is perfect for onboarding, customer handoffs, help documentation, and leave behinds. That's it for this month's updates. If you would love to see any new feature in Storylane, just let us know. We read every piece of feedback, and even some of these recent releases started as customer requests. So thanks so much and see you next month.